Check it out, it's the beach, and it's cold outside. Oh look, track. My feet are stepping in it. And it's gross because up there, where my familia is, it's all like squishy and it's getting in my sock. Look at that super delicious water. Holy crap, oh my god, oh my god.
Hey dude, we're gonna have to do this.
So what are you guys doing?
We're making a mountain.
Mountain, huh? And how big is it gonna be?
We don't know. We're just gonna keep on speaking.
Until when?
We don't know. Thursday.
Till Thursday? Okay, so I'll go back to the shore house and I'll see you on Thursday.
No, we're not gonna be finishing on Thursday.
Uh-huh.
Today.
Okay.
Maybe
So, whoa, kind of looks like a mix between an egg and a pear. Look at the ocean bubbles. There's like a little trail of ocean bubbles. Okay. It's kind of getting a little bit cold, so I think I'm gonna go back and film some more ocean. It's like right at my feet. Holy crap. Watch it. Oh my god! Okay, spasm. Okay, well, there's a seashell. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Can't say that. What? Ocean bubbles! It's alive! I'm gonna touch it. Ah, it's moving! It's moving! Oh, I think it's dead. Oh, it's dying. Oh crap, it's dying. Should I touch it? Should I touch it? What if it stings me? Watch me touch it. Watch me touch it. Ah! I touched it. Oh my god, I touched it. Okay. I think it needs help flying. I don't know how to fly though. Okay. Oh my god, it's stuck to my foot! Okay, I got the bumblebee, look. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. And it's moving. It's moving. Oh my god, it's hanging upside down! See how it's moving? What? Okay. So I'm going to show it to my mom. Ah! Oh my god. Picking it back up. There we go. Okay. More bee. Mom, look! I found a bee! You are not going to believe what is on the ground. That's like a bird. Like a dead seagull. Oh my god.
Down, down, down. This used to be a fun house, but now it's full of evil clowns.
Okay, so the waves got a lot bigger, and it's very rainy and wet today. Waves are like up to right there. Can't go any farther because my mom's gonna freak out. You can't see her from there, but yeah.